Please keep your hands in. I mean, no, I was gonna say something. Oh. Okay. Are you ready? Oh, did you like how he did that barbecue? Oh, it's dead. It's because it's yours. Yours sucks.
Shut up, Olsen.
Are you ready? 2.
Where'd it go?
Oh, 2. Okay. You ready? Oh.
Hold on, look at there.
I'm only wearing one sock and one shoe, so this isn't working out. Okay.
Where'd it go?
Right there. It's gonna hit a star. Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that actually don't do that. That hurts. Okay, you want to fly it now? Go ahead.
Oh my gosh. Fly mine. Hurry.
Okay, I got it.
Go. That's mine.
Well, let me get mine.
Oh my gosh. Osh bagosh. Isn't that like a clothing line? I think so. Go. It hit your dog. It's not like Poe got in the way. It wasn't gonna fly anywhere else. Oh yeah, yours is cool. See how much fun we have with a wood airplane? Oh, that just happened. Oh. That was pretty pimptastical.
pAnickPartY Airlines.
Yeah, mine used to have like bombs on it and like snakes on it, but
This is snakes with the 2 eyes.
shut up, leave me alone.
I made that.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
You want to
Because
prove
you
it?
came up with snakes on a plane. Well, not you didn't come up with it, but then I was like, ooh, look at my snake stormy, and you're all, that isn't even a snake.
Oh yeah, okay. So don't try to hate on it because you're the one that did it, okay?
I know, I'm not.
Okay, are we done with this? Are we done with our little kids play? Any Sour Patch Kids?
Bye.
Isn't that like cannibalism? Or isn't it because it's like a kid? Why would they name a candy after a kid? It's like, oh,
Because these are Sour Patch watermelons.
yeah, but there is Sour Patch Kids. I'm just saying that is debatable, right? Right, YouTube?